Blockchains can be divided into several types based on their structure and usage. These categories include public, private, permissioned, and tokenized blockchains. Each type serves specific purposes and comes with distinct features and benefits. Public blockchains are open to everyone, decentralized, and do not require permission to join. They ensure transparency and allow anyone to validate transactions. Examples include Bitcoin and Ethereum. Private blockchains operate in closed networks where only authorized participants can access and interact. These blockchains are more centralized and are typically used by businesses for internal purposes. IBM's blockchain and Hyperledger are well-known examples. Permissioned blockchains combine the characteristics of both public and private blockchains. They restrict access, but allow some level of decentralization. These blockchains are often used in environments that need controlled access while maintaining some flexibility. Tokenized blockchains are mainly used within organizations for specific purposes, like asset tokenization, where real-world or digital items are represented as blockchain tokens. Blockchain technology is built on a few fundamental principles. Shared and transparent access. All participants in the network can see shared data, ensuring transparency. Immutability. Once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered, making the system tamper-proof. Validated transactions. Every transaction is verified, ensuring trust and authenticity. Confidentiality. Sensitive records are kept secure, ensuring privacy where required. Blockchains are further classified into permissioned and permissionless systems based on how access and operations are managed. Permissioned blockchains allow only specific users, as defined by administrators, to participate. These systems have controlled transparency, with private entities often developing and managing them. For example, Ripple is a permissioned blockchain. These blockchains offer strong privacy, faster transactions, and better scalability. But they are less decentralized and more prone to risks, like override by central authorities. Permissionless blockchains, on the other hand, are open to everyone. They rely on decentralized consensus mechanisms, like mining, to validate transactions. Examples include Bitcoin and Ethereum. These systems are highly transparent and secure, but their reliance on energy-intensive processes makes them slower and less efficient compared to permissioned systems. Permissioned blockchains provide several benefits that make them appealing for businesses. High security. Users must authenticate with verified credentials, ensuring only authorized access. Customizable decentralization. Organizations can choose whether the network is fully centralized or partially decentralized. Accountability. Every action on the network is traceable to a specific user, ensuring a clear chain of custody for all transactions. Efficiency. Since fewer nodes are needed for consensus, permissioned blockchains can operate faster and scale more easily. Despite their advantages, permissioned blockchains face challenges. A lack of transparency can sometimes be a concern, especially when users need assurance of fairness. Additionally, their centralized nature can make them susceptible to override risks, where a single entity might control the network. However, these challenges are often mitigated by trust in the governing organization and robust security measures. Tokenization is the process of converting ownership of assets into digital tokens stored on a blockchain. These tokens act as certificates of ownership and can represent almost anything, from physical assets like property and art to digital assets unique to Web3 ecosystems. Tokenization is transforming how assets are managed and traded by adding security, transparency, and efficiency to the process. Blockchains, with their various categories and features, offer a versatile framework for different applications. Public and permissionless blockchains are ideal for open, transparent environments, while private and permissioned systems provide more control and efficiency for businesses. Tokenized blockchains, on the other hand, are revolutionizing asset management. Each type has its own strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for specific use cases.